Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Behind the scenes. One time, George met Harold in kindergarten. Nice to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comics. Their very first comic was an epic novella called The Adventures of Dogman. Over the years, they made tons of Dogman comic books. Then one day in 4th grade, they got a new idea. They started making a new comic called Captain Underpants. Soon, their lives got really complicated. There was danger, horror, and ridiculously convoluted plot lines. And just when it seemed like things couldn't get any worse, things got better. Hey! All the drama had come to an end, but there were still lots of unanswered questions. Where are our doubles? Where's Tully, Orlando, and Dawn? George and Harold searched their treehouse for clues, but soon they got distracted. Hey, look! Oh, cool! It's a box full of old Dogman comics we made when we were kids. Hey, I forgot all about these. They read for hours. They cracked me up. Look how you used to draw. Old school. And look how bad you used to spell. Well, what do we do now? Let's make a new comic book. About Captain Underpants? Nah, let's do something different. How about a Dogman comic? Okay. And together, the two friends wrote and drew and laughed all afternoon. George tried to spell more better, Harold tried to draw more simpler, and thus, Dogman was reborn anewish. Class, enjoy it! Chapter 1. A Hero is Unleashed. Oh boy, my new couch is here. This is real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling all cops. Come to my office. You can watch me break in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You're the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight. Oh man, Chief is really mad at us again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh, the cop and that police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? Heck no! Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop. Kung Fu grip, these boots were made for kicking. But he ain't got brains. Duh. And Greg the dog is smart, thinky, but his body is his weakness. Please, can't punch, can't drive car. P.U. Yeah, but what if they work together? That might be a problem. Fortunately, I've got a solution. Tee. Help! It's a bomb! Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which one should I cut? Red or green? Grrr. Okay, green it is. And so... Oh no! I forgot that dogs are colorblind! And soon... Me too. Soon, the doctor came in with some super sad news. Boo-hoo-hoo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying, and your head is dying too, cop. But just when all seemed lost...
Hey, why don't we throw Greg's head onto the cop's body?
Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. So they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg's head and sewed it onto the cop's body.
What a lucky day.
And soon, a brand new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed.
Hooray for Dogman!
The news spread quickly.
Steady news. Dogman is the world's greatest cop.
Rat! I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. Fortunately, I know just how to stop him. Hee hee. The next day... Whoa. So you're the world's most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bub. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Well, what do you have to say for yourself?
here!
Poor Dogman's day had started out badly, but things were about to get worse. Ha ha ha! What's so funny? Today, I'm going to destroy Dogman once and for all. How? Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true, but dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Hey, I think firecrackers would have been easier.
Who asked you?
You did.
This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology.
Firecrackers only cost $5.
Enough with the firecrackers! This is way cooler!
And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman, and it won't stop until it gets sucked up.
Ha ha ha! Yee-haw! Oh, Dogman, let's get ready to Roomba!
Woo! Go on and run! You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has a 6,000 horsepower motor, an endless power supply, and the bag expands, so it can suck up almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he got a good idea. Dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. The vacuum followed Dogman into the sea.
Hey, let's get out of this water, okay? I can't swim! Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet! No fair!
Dogman dived down, so the vacuum started sucking up the sea. The big vacuum bag got fuller, and fuller, and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he?
I gotta get out of here before this bag of seawater busts!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Petey grabbed on with his claws. Suddenly, the vacuum bag began to rip. Petey got washed away in a super tidal wave. It looked like this was the end. Hey! You saved me! You're not such a bad guy after all. I've got one more to say to you. Rats! The tidal wave got smaller and smaller until it ended at just the right spot.
Hey, cops! Dogman captured Petey!
This calls for a celebration!
Introducing Extra Cheesy Flip-O-Rama. Be a flip master. Flip it. Don't rip it. Ready?
For he's a jolly good doggy, for he's a jolly good doggy.
Well, Dogman, I guess I was wrong about you. Put her there.
Hooray for Dogman!
Chapter 2, Robo Chief. One day, this happened.
I'm back. Whoa! No, Dogman! No! Dog! Get off! Bad doggy! Bad Dogman! Why do you always have to do that? Who chewed up on my dirty tissues? And who ate my slippers? And who peed on my floor? Everybody, in my office now! Alright, which one of you chewed up my tissues and ate my slippers and peed on my floor? Just as I suspected. Everybody out, except Dogman! You are in big trouble!
Hey, Chief, the mayor's here.
Uh-oh. Send her right in. Howdy, Mayor.
Don't howdy mayor me. Have you seen today's news?
City news. Tooth is soft on crime. Petey escaped from tax jail 8 times. Latest poll. Everybody hates Tooth.
You are in big trouble, Chief. You better straighten up. We're gonna replace you with a robot.
Dogman's super ears heard something. He rushed to the window.
Soon, my evil plan will become reality.
Dogman followed Mayor to a strange factory called Robo Industries. He peeked through a window and recorded evidence on his phone.
So, Dr. Scum, how's the evil robot coming along?
Pretty good.
Awesome! Soon I should use him to take over the city. My evil plan will begin in 33 seconds.
Cool. 33 seconds later. Hey there, you got a package. Give me it. What's this? Ooh, invisible spray. Hee. Shh, shh, shh. Tss. Ah. Tss. Haha. Tss. Yeah. Tss. Awesome. Now I'm completely invisible. Oh, guard. Yeah? Uh-oh. Paytay's gone. Where did he go? Payday? Tee. I love being invisible. Huh? A ghost! Haha! Soon, Petey walked out of cat jail. Free at last! Haha! Then... Hello?
There's been a jail escape
Where?
at the jail.
Oh. Hey, Chief! Petey busted out of jail again! Oh no! Soon, the mayor returned to the police station.
Chief, check this out.
You, Kudu exit again.
I tried to warn you, but you leave me no choice. You're fired, Bob. Dr. Scum, send in the chief's replacement.
Okay.
I am Robo Chief.
Robo Chief is your new boss, and I am Robo Chief's boss.
Must obey, Mayor.
Now the chief is gone, I can run this town my way. And you better not try to stop me, or you'll end up in a junkyard.
Huh? Sorry, Dogman. I got fired. You must go on without me. Be a good boy. Make me proud.
Meanwhile...
It's good to be the king. Okay, Dr. Scum, it's time to put our evil plan into action.
No prob. Soon, Dr. Scum and his team of bad guys built a bunch of rotten businesses. Ho ho ho! And all cops were ordered to stay away.
Don't go near the mayor's stores or you will be fired.
It was the perfect crime. Except for one thing. Hey! Look at all of those rotten stores! Invisible Petey was not happy. Grr! Somebody is trying to muscle in on my territory! I have to stop those evil jerks! There can only be one villain in this town! Invisible Petey got right to work. He followed each customer into the rotten stores. I'll take one bomb, please. There you go. But then... Hey! My pants fell down! Now they fell back up! Ah! It's a ghost! Invisible Petey followed other customers into other rotten stores and pulled their pants down too. Triple Fliporamas. Cheesily animated action. Ready? What goes up must come down and then back up again. And so... Yeah! It's a ghost! Let me out of here! Soon...
Hi, Dr. Scum. What's up?
Mayor, it's a disaster. All of your rotten stores are haunted. An invisible ghost is getting all the customers away.
An invisible ghost? Payday! Robo Chief, get in here!
Yes, Mayor.
Go find Invisible Petey and destroy him!
Yes, sir.
Robo Chief ran to town and started an attack.
Invisible PJ, prepare to meet Dav.
Invisible Petey was not afraid. I ain't afraid. Invisible Petey ran to a rotten store. I'm right over here.
Oh yeah?
Invisible Petey had zipped away just in time. Teehee. He ran to another rotten store. Ha ha! Hey Robo dude, I'm over here now.
Oh yeah?
Again, Petey zipped away just in time. Invisible Petey ran from rotten store, yoo-hoo, to rotten store, you missed me, until every rotten store was gone. Invisible Petey ran to the playground. Bet you can't catch me! He ran over to the corkscrew slide. I'm down here!
Oh yeah?
Ha ha! Soon,
Hello, Dr. Scum. Did Robo Chief destroy Invisible Petey?
Dr. Scum told Mayor the bad news.
No!
Mayor had one last plan up her evil sleeve. She drove to the cop station.
Dogman! You must stop Invisible Petey. Use your dog nose to sniff him out. Go get him!
Dogman ran to town. Soon, he picked up a scent. Uh-oh, here comes Dogman! Yikes! That was a close one! Dogman chased Invisible Petey all over town. But Invisible Petey was just too quick. Ha ha! You'll never catch me, Dogman, because I'm covered with invisible spray, and I'm never washing it off. Then, Dogman got a good idea. Dogman ran to a nearby kiddie pool and dived right in. Dogman was all wet. Now it was time to dry off. Flipporama. Ready? Super Soaker. The water sprayed everywhere. And soon, hey! I'm getting all wet! My invisibility spray is washing off. Uh-oh. Now Dogman could smell Petey and see him. No, wait! I can explain! Rats! Soon,
Ladies and gentlemen, today we honor Dogman because he captured Petey and stuff. Get up here.
speech!
Speech!
Dogman did not know how to give a speech, but he knew how to play a video.
How's the evil robot coming along?
Pretty good.
Awesome! Soon I can use him to take over the city. Well... Wait! I can explain!
And so,
Woohoo!
1 week later, hi Caps, I am the new mayor. It's my job to appoint a new chief. Who should I pick? Huh? Where's he going?
Beats me.
Everybody chased Dogman across town until... Oh, why Dogman? Ew! You got slobber all on me! Oh? So Chief got his old job back, and soon, everything was back to normal. Hey! And now, get ready for a trip down memory lane. This next chapter is a comic we made back in 1st grade. It's the extended director's cut, and I fixed the spelling. Our teacher hated it so much, she sent this angry note to our moms. Hehe. We hope you like it, better than she did. Chapter 3. Book 'em, Dogman. One day, Petey sat in his jail cell feeling sad. Rats! Every time I have an evil plan, Dogman always outsmarts me. How come he's so darn smart? So Petey decided to find out. That day in the jail yard, Petey got an escape plan. He sat on the seesaw. Yo, Big Jim, come over and seesaw with me. Okay. Whee! So long, suckers! I'm free! Now to find out what makes Dogman so smart. So Petey sneaked to Dogman's house. He's reading. Petey used the smartometer to check. Dogman was getting smarter by the minute. So, reading makes you smart, eh? Then I must destroy all books. 1 week later, Eureka! Behold, I just invented the War Begone 2000. He aimed it at a book. It worked! No more words! Petey ran around zapping everything in sight. Ha ha! Petey zapped all the books in the city. Hey, all the books are blank. Ha ha! Then he zapped all the books in the country.
Ours 2. Ours 3.
Then Petey got in an airplane and zapped all the books in the whole world. Teehee. Before too long,
Rats! All the books on Earth are blank. Aw, man. What was us?
soon everybody forgot about reading,
Oh well, whatever.
and people started getting really dumb.
Die, super die.
2 weeks later, awesome! The world is super dumb. Now's my chance to have some fun. Petey walked to the fancy car lot. Hey, Bub, give me a car. My cat had 11 puppies. Okay. I'm just gonna take that one over there. My mommy is 5 years old. So long, sucker. Bye-bye, Froggy. The same thing happened at the bank. Thanks for the free money.
Duh, my shoes are getting married.
And the electronics store. Thanks for the free TV.
Duh, this apple tastes funny.
And so, that was too easy. Meanwhile, the police were all busy doing dumb stuff too. Dave! What? Somebody pooped in your office. Why are you holding it in your hand? Because I didn't want to step in it. Good thinking. We must solve this terrible crime. I'll put my best man on it. Get me Dogman. Soon, Dogman came running. Dogman, go find out who pooped in my office. Dogman will solve this crime. Awesome! High five! Hey, what stinks in here? I have no idea. Dogman was pretty dumb because he didn't read no more, but he tried to solve the crime anyway. First, he questioned the chair, then he gave a lie detector test to some pee, he worked with a sketch artist, and he even went on a stakeout, but he still couldn't solve the crime. Meanwhile, Petey was having trouble of his own. He couldn't enjoy his new TV because the shows were so dumb. Welcome to the 13 o'clock news. Our top story, mega boom boom in my panties. He couldn't enjoy his new car because his mechanics were so dumb. But you told us to fill it up with gas. He couldn't even enjoy his secret lab no more. Hey! Because his butler was so dumb. I told you to take his garbage out last week. I did. I took it out to the movies. Then I took it out to a nice romantic dinner. Then I took it out to the amusement park. Get out! But we're in love. It was no fun being smarter than everybody else. Everywhere Petey went, dumb stuff happened. I'll take 12 donuts, please.
Boy, welcome to Trippin'.
Hi. 12 donuts, please.
Can I take your order?
Yeah, 12 donuts, please.
Sorry, we only sell them by the dozen.
Okay, I'll take a dozen then.
Sorry, we don't have a dozen. We only have 16.
Fine, give me 16 then.
16 bagels!
No, wait, I want donuts, not bagels.
Jeez, make up your mind. You want mustard on those?
Mustard? What for?
For your bagels.
I don't want bagels. I don't want mustard. I just want donuts. Donuts. Donuts.
Okay, you don't have to yell. I'm not an idiot. I'm an intelligent person. Don't be disrespecting me.
Sorry.
That's better. Here's your bagels, ladies.
Hey, buddy, can you help me? I haven't eaten in 3 days. I'm starving.
Here, have some bagels.
No thanks, I don't like bagels.
I can't take it anymore. If one more something happens, I'm gonna... Hey, look! That's a giraffe who gave us this cool car! Oh, yeah! Hey, you want to car? Sure! Petey started to get depressed. He went to a secret library, which contained the only books left on Earth. Petey read and got smarter, while the rest of the world got dumber.
Duh, I just sold my bike. Why?
And dumber.
So I can buy this new bike lock. Cool.
2 weeks later, Petey was not doing well. His lab was a mess, his toenails were long, and he hadn't had a bath in ages. Boy, did Petey stink. Meanwhile, Dogman was still trying to find out who pooped in the chief's office. His main suspect was an apple tree. Suddenly, Dogman smelled something. Dogman followed the cat smell to Petey's hideout. He went inside and found Petey's secret stash of books. Dogman started to read. Dogman read all night long and got smarter and smarter. The next morning, Dogman had a plan. He brought Petey's books to the school and gave them to the kids. Read, Darnia, read. The kids read and read, and then, hooray! We're smart again! Soon, Petey woke up to a shock. My books! Petey followed the trail of books. It led to the school. Then, the recess bell rang.
Whoa! Oh no! I gotta get those books!
Fliporamas. Ready? The swing set smacker.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh no! There's another book by the seesaw! Fliporama. Ready? The seesaw smoosher. Oh no! There's another book by the Spring Riders. Ready? Spring Break. So Petey got captured. Rats! Dogman reversed the War Begone 2000, and soon, all the books on Earth got zapped back to normal.
Hooray for Dogman!
Epilogue. The next day, Dogman found a security camera video. They all watched it together. Soon, they discovered who pooped in the chief's office.
Dogman!
The end. Chapter 4. Weenie Wars. The Franks Awaken. One time at cat jail. Mail delivery time. Here, Fluffy, you got a letter. Thanks. Here, Big Jim, you got candy.
Yay!
Hey, Petey, you got something too. Give it. At last. Ha-ha! Living spray. Bring stuff to life. Directions. Step 1. Spray it on something. Step 2. Watch it come to life and stuff. Warning. Contents under pressure. Keep away from flames and stuff. What should I spray it on? Then,
Lunchtime! Here's your food, Petey.
aw, hot dogs again? Hey! And so, shh.
Hi there! Let's be friends!
Let's not. Go get me the keys to this jail cell and make it snappy.
Here's your keys.
Gimme. Now I can unlock my jail cell. I'm free.
Can we be friends now?
Friends? Friends? You want to be friends with me?
Oh.
Meanwhile,
Oi everybody, I'm back from lunch. Stop it, Tobin! Stop! Get off! No! Cut it out! Stop! Enough! Cut it! Stop, boy!
triple flippo rama llama ding dong. Ready? Welcome back, Chief.
Red Dogman! Why do you always do that? You just saw me like 30 minutes ago. I hope you weren't lying on my new couch. Cool. Worm! There's a worm spot on my new couch. And there's drool and dog hairs. How many times have I told you to stay off of my new couch? What do you have to say for yourself? Hey, where are you going? Hey!
Dogman ran out of the police station. But why? Ha ha ha! With this dog whistle and this megaphone, I can round up all the dogs in town! Soon, every dog in town came running. Big dogs, little dogs, the poodle from the pet shop.
Zulu, come back!
Even Dogman was not immune. Get along, little doggies. That's right, in you go. Soon, every dog will be in my trap, including Dogman. Meanwhile, back at cat jail.
Stupid cat! I'll show him! Oh!
All of the hot dogs are cooked. Good. Let's take a break.
Shh, shh, shh. Alright, Wyoming! Arouse, I say! Come to lunch, my brothers and sisters! Join me! And together, we shall rule the world! Oh, oh, oh! Evil will Weenie illusion!
The Weenies followed their evil leader out of cat jail and into town.
Alright, Weenies, time to take over!
And so, the Weenie War had begun. What the?
We interrupt this comic for breaking news. Amsa hat off with the top story. Pity, the world's most evilest cat, has captured all dogs in the city.
That's right! They're all locked up inside this cage.
What do you plan to do with them?
Watch and learn, sister. Teehee. Behold, the Mutt Master 2000.
Oh no! The pointy thingies are moving down!
Soon, those dogs will be crushed.
No way! Dogman will save them!
Nuh-uh! Dogman is in the cage. It was true. Dogman was trapped, and all his human strength didn't help.
Oh no! Dogman is doomed! Why was I so mean to him?
There, Chief. Dogman will save the day. You'll see. Meanwhile, the Weenie War raged on. It looked like the end was near, but it wasn't. Ah, look! How cute! Say cheese! Hey, that would be a little campfire. Oh, how precious!
Hey! Those guys aren't afraid of us at all! What we need is some muscle! Ooh la la! I'm gonna spray this giant Euro man!
That's not a Euro. That's a Philly, artistic mascot.
Who asked you?
Shh, shh, shh. Soon, Philly came to life.
Hooray! With this Euro man under my control, the whole world will bow before me! Oh, oh, oh!
Philly, don't be a Euro! Don't be a fool of their life! Meanwhile, Dogman tried to stop the crushing pointy thingies, but his human strength was giving out.
Oh, the community! How could these get any worse?
I'll tell you how! Prepare to surrender, because the Weenies are taking over! Attack! Woo!
Oh, look! Little baby hot dogs are starting a revolution!
We're not little babies! We're regular sized!
Oh, how cute!
We're not cute either! We're gangsta!
Oh, that one started an adorable little fire!
That's not an adorable little fire! That's a raging inferno of death! What do I have to do to get a little respect around here? Do I have to destroy everything?
Suddenly, inside the Mutt Master 2000, Dogman got a great idea. He reached into his shirt and pulled out a phone.
Hey! Who threw that phone?
Dogman reached for another.
I'm warning you guys! Hey! If you throw one more phone, I'm gonna... They're coming from that cage down there! Destroy that cage!
All of the dogs were now safe, except for one.
Well! Do you think you're a tough guy, eh? You think you're smart, do you? You think you're a hero, huh? Well, when I get through with you, you're gonna wish you were never, ever...
But... Hey! That's my living spray can! I better grab it before somebody else does! Uh-oh, it's in the fire. Ow! Hot! Uh-oh. Warning! Content under pressure. Keep away from playing with stuff. Petey flew one way, and Dogman flew the other. And all that was left was a bunch of little baby hot dogs.
We're not little babies. We're regular size. Yeah, we may have lost our leader and our giant hero man, but we will never stop our reign of terror. We will destroy this world and build up our... Hey, where did all these dogs come from? Well, I suppose we should be running!
Looks like it's a dog-eat hot dog world after all. But whatever happened to Dogman and Petey?
Supper time! I got your food for you, Petey. It's a nice, dulce hot dog.
Dogman flew through the air.
Oh no! Chase Your Catch is ruined! Dogman? 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 Are you okay?
Flip. Flip like the wind. Ready?
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Woohoo! Yeah!
Ain't you glad Chief ain't mad at Dogman no more? I sure am. Hooray for Dogman! Next time on Dogman. Calling all cars! A brand new Dogman novel reload with sound effects by C-Ret is coming soon. In a time of darkness and despair, when strange new villains arise and sinister scoundrels poison the minds of the meek. We love you, Petey! Yeah! Haba haba! Only one dog-headed cop can save the day.
Dogman, the city is under attack. Who wants to save the day? Who's a good hero? Who wants to stop the bad guys? Go get them!
If you read only one book next year, well, you really should try to read more than that. Just saying. But don't forget to read this one too, featuring triple Fliporama. Ready? You'll howl with laughter. You'll scratch with suspense. You'll scoot your butt on the carpet with joy. Dogman Unleashed. Read aloud with sound effects by C-Ret. Beg for it. Whine for it. Fetch your copy. One of the greatest books about a dog-headed cop ever written. George's great-grandma. Doggone funny. Harold's grandpa.
I hated every page.
Mr. Crook.